Food is something we all need, but for millions of people it can also be dangerous. In the European Union there are strict laws, specifically Regulation 1169/2011, that requires clear labeling of 14 specific food allergens. But what exactly are those allergens and why does it matter so much? Let's break it down. Cereals containing gluten, wheat, rye, barley, crustaceans, eggs, fish, peanuts, soy, milk, nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, celery, mustard, sesame seeds, sulfur dioxide and sulfites, lupin and molluscs. And even small traces of these can cause big problems: vomiting, nausea, rashes, swelling, anaphylactic shock, which can be life-threatening or even fatal. That's why clear labeling isn't just a nice to have, no, it's essential. But let's look at it from the other side too, the people making the food. For food processors, there's a huge responsibility to keep allergens under control. Not just on the label, but in the kitchen, in the factory or the bakery itself. Cross-contamination can happen surprisingly easily. Maybe a tiny bit of milk powder gets into a nut-free batch, or a spoon isn't cleaned between stirring different recipes. That's all it takes. So what can food businesses do? Here are a few essential steps. First, separate production lines for different allergens. Second, strict intermediate cleaning protocols. Thoroughly clean equipment and workspaces between products. Third, train your staff. Make sure everyone understands how serious an allergen can be and what their role is in preventing contamination. And finally, always keep clear records and double-check your labels. It might seem like extra work, but it can be the difference between a safe meal and a trip to the hospital. Food allergies are real and the risks are serious. With the right knowledge and careful processes, we can make food safer for everyone.